Here's a common work order that I get asked about a lot. How do you get soap suds out of a dishwasher? Some genius puts palm olive in there when it clearly states on the bottom there, do not use in automatic dishwashers, but they do it anyway. It's real common at student housing. I used to work in student housing. Kids that never washed dishes before, and they'll put this stuff in there and then it'll be suds galore. All right, let's turn it on and I'll show you. All right, it's run for about a minute. Yeah, that looks about right. Nice and sudsy. They usually leak all out on the floor too and just cause a havoc. Never while you're working either, never during normal hours. Always when you're at home and on call. So what I do, this is the fastest way I've found, is get you some spa water defoamer. Eliminates foaming in spas and hot tubs. And put it in a squirt bottle. And it'll melt it right away. Because this stuff takes forever. You'll just see how the bubbles just melt away. Just spray all up in there. They'll go away. It's quick. Any other way, you'll have to run the dishwasher about 50 times. This stuff just melts away quick. Time is money out here. Or it happens when you got 3 ACs down and 2 ceiling leaks to go look at. Bang, that quick. And you just drain it. This is an old scrapper that I got working again just to use as for an example. Yeah, I closed it up and ran it for about 10 seconds, and as you can see, it just turns those bubbles into water. Now I just drain it and be done. Alright, I got it draining. It's done draining. No bubbles. Man, any other way takes forever. I mean, you gotta run it, drain it, run it, drain it, run it, drain it. I mean, I can't count how many times. And you can take a shot vac to it as well, but it's still in there, like gets embedded in there, and it just keeps bubbling every time you run it. So the fastest way that I found to do it is get some spa defoamer. Alright, let's cut it on again and make sure all the bubbles are out. Alright, I've let it run a second time for about 5 minutes, just to make sure there's no more bubbles left. And as you can see, it's all clear. Now if I didn't put the defoamer in here, it would have been just a massive bubble overload again. And then you have to drain it and then run it again. It'd be another massive bubble overload. It's tough to get that stuff out of there. So yeah, I got this stuff from HD Supply. There are vendors where we get our supplies from, but you can go to the pinch a penny pool supply place or whatever pool supply place you got in your town. Ask for some spa water defoamer and it'll take care of this whenever you get this work order. Alright guys, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.